Matara, you could have buy a ratchet and you pop out that. Killer would have run. Cause killer coward too. Cause man, woman come say my touch the thing, you know.
Yeah.
And woman, all you have your woman and your woman and say you touch the thing, you're on drugs.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenido, es Bengo Momento. Checking in, welcome my peeps, bless up on yourself there. Idea going great, you know, so big up all my subscribers right now. And if you're watching and listening, you haven't subscribed us yet, just go ahead and do that. Don't forget, click that bell for all the notifications. So, we are looking at the topic right now, and Ricky Trooper. Him a contemplate and him a say him never a go really expose Tony Matterhorn, you know, but him a say Tony Matterhorn a going too bad. So my people, Ricky Trooper right now I expose some things about Tony Matterhorn where really and truly, yeah, embarrassing for the most part. But then again, Ricky Trooper say Tony Matterhorn really and truly all him talk about him rich and him this and him that. Him not have no legacy. Because Ricky Trooper say, Tony Matterhorn, what you really have but your big mouth? Nothing else. The man all going the whole bounty killer situation. And him a reveal say, Tony Matterhorn can't come back to Jamaica because him this bounty and the FLA, which is the Firearm Licensing Authority, them turn him down. So Tony Matterhorn, him not feel safe at JA, so him stay foreign and him just run off him out. Basically, where Troopers right now, but I'm not gonna say nothing else, my people. Watch the live right now. Don't forget, comment, let me know what are your thoughts.
You make killer win, star. You make killer, I feel it, star. Long time, your paper no say long time I water no full my eye. Now tell a lie. Long time, your vehicle. Long time I water no full my eye, star. The man make killer win.
Cry for joy or cry for sorrow?
Sorrow me a cry for star. Look at your water run out of me eye, star. Cause Matterhorn make killer win, star. See?
Him could have in any role I want to cry for school.
And then Matterhorn, you make a bag of money from what here. See? You make a bag of money. And you know you come to Jamaica. See? And there's a possibility you never must get back license. You should have go and learn karate to clot. Look at self-defense. Look how much money you make. Can you say you're the artist selector? You could have played for local karate class, man. See? I play for local karate class, star. Nah, tell a lie, star. So Tony, more you where you concerned now, you come to Jamaica. The big bad Tony Matterhorn people come to Jamaica. If you come, I know informer me I do that, but this is a joke. I can't believe the man so bad. The man so bad, star, and come to Jamaica and say, yeah, me come, renew my peace and do road come and a bad man and kill and chat to me and them down game back the pace. And the man catch back the next plane and run go back a clad foreign like a bitch. Tony, boy, I don't look good, Tony. Tony, you say come like sec. Otherwise from me, I'm Pink Panther. You make the dinosaur thing look like a big joke to blood. You make the dinosaur thing like a big joke. Because all the life from winning music, nobody never beat up me. I beat up Panther. I make Panther run. I make Trooper run. Because the boy never put them on for me to play music, you know. Never. And Tony, you be a badness. Who? Killer. Me have a dating and you just lose a little one and you just run go away. So you want let me tell you, you could have buy a ratchet. You could have buy a ratchet. You could have buy a ratchet knife. Matterhorn, you could have buy a ratchet and you pop out that. Killer would have run. Because killer coward too. So killer would have take away himself. You just want to pop out the ratchet. Hey boy, killer, we are run for me. Stop. And say if killer not run left you. But you lose the war, star. Killer that Jamaica laugh after your blood clot. What you going to tell Tony and say now? That same man Tony and left long time. He married. Then me no see, yo, me see big, me see one girl on social media and say, Matterhorn, I take coke. I say, I say it drugs.
Aye, people, aye, listen me, I listen.
I listen, people. Because Baker Bailey are coward, I'm afraid that.
No, coward.
Same.
Mix.
People, all that something, you know. Because one of what they may say, it come like him delusional, you know. Because today, he come and he cuss Killer today. And then tomorrow, he might say, hey, when Killer album drop, and me have to go play it and pick it up. And they may say, but if you are war with that man, you feel just nothing with him at all. You just done with him. Because people know, so when me are war with Killer, when me I play Jaro, and no love Killer not getting on. I mean just hold out for whole heap of years, more than 15 years, and I play a brand new Killer. And Killer couldn't kill my blood sound. So tell me a Killer good you know. Saying, so me I say, you know, the man say, oh Killer, I'm a bad man, and then in bow and I say, yeah, when the album drop and me have to go big it up and where that means say it come like remember one time I tell you say come like in depth on something, you know. And the man just confirm it say he might touch a thing star. Cause man, woman come say I touch a thing, you know.
Yeah.
And woman, all you for have your woman and your woman and say yeah touch the thing, you're depend on drugs and you need help. Man, you just should have hide and lick star. You should have make you woman don't say I do it, Tony. Tony should hide and lick. Cause the woman can let it out. So maybe a two type of lick, you lick the white something, I lick. That's something the way you don't feel lick. And the girl come down. Say you lick.
Yeah, go on with this.
The girl say you lick it, Tony. The bomb clad. The girl say you lick it. Yeah, yo. And Tony, me not broke here, Tony. You say me, but that Jamaica dead for hungry. No, Tony. But just build over my blood clot sound. Be a new amplifier. Be a new speaker. Say, I'm man alive, I'm manners, man. See me, I say, catch you. Every time I do live, me I give you money, I come style. But sit down there, so I go out. Let me be able to go on, man. Go kick off your boot in the crowd, man. See, Tony, we good here. We there and buy a new car and the sound truck in the shop a spray over here now. Yeah. Saying truck I come out the road. Chris in a weekend and when we go there, we there and buy a new car and the sound truck in the shop a spray over here now. Yeah. Saying truck I come out the road. Chris in a weekend and we life good Tony, cause Tony me tell us something. I'm doing my thing different, you know, cause you're that foreign I'm bug out all 300 and 400 US dollars. That's how you go with the thing, Tony. The man used to call it 5,000 US, 10,000 US. Because when you book Tony at 2-in-1, you get, you know, you get the DJ and you get the selector. And now that yo, the selector and the DJ cannot even blood clot carrying a decent money. Tony, you shouldn't make it reach as a star. The man say you coke out. You coke out. And the woman, your woman has said that to the one you're married to. Say you're saying, and then you know the promoter them start say you go so boom and 300 and 400 dollar 5 bills, you know things shouldn't reach us at Tony. You matter around, you know, cause Tony whole pandemic come in. When I do not live Tony, cause the boy can't give me no 3 bills and no 4 bills. Cause Jamaica 5 bills US around 60 odd grand Jamaican dollar, and the starting price of Sound Trooper Jamaica 100 grand. That's how it start from. And the far we go from town, I more blood clot money. I would just hold it. I mean, I'm not say America, I'm not say England. I'm go Canada, I do, and Europe, and a year I had no man no garden place through Corona, and we all live good. See, but the thing is when I show now my people. And you not forget up every day and talk about me rich. What is riches? Say, what is riches? A man to set them thing and we a star where your thing knows say you have values and more values of have. Say, you buy a whole heap of little vanity thing. That means say when you drop out, say you pick them can sell the vanity things them and you buy enough insurance. Say, you buy a whole heap of insurance. That's when me drop out. My picnic them have whole heap of insurance. And all of my picnic them are big picnic. Big woman and big man. One big man, one son me get and around 6 daughter. Saying, and them all over the place a fly and do them thing. Saying, Tony, you know, left no legacy, no Tony. You know, left no legacy star. Everybody were great in our music. Either build a sound system or them build studio. King James go so boom, build studio, give him picnic them. Saying, if Buju if drop out tomorrow morning, Buju picnic them have a studio where they can't come fight over. Me drop out, my son get sound system, sound trooper, sound system, and I'm a legacy, and the whole I'm a true for them. Because me as a boy have every blood down to the plane slip them. Say, my ticket stop them. When I fly upon plane, I have a whole of that. Same time they know I have a whole of that. So when I drop out, all of my penny them can put them there in a museum and them thing there and collect. Like how Bob Marley things still. I have everything. My house, trophy them, everything. Everything is documented and there. So I don't have time for talk about, yo, me rich and me this. No, people. I put in my work and then my work and my legacy. Because Tony, one beat you from one day now. Saying, I'm saying I'm a lawyer, but I have to shoot your star. Cause look into this now. You're not no legacy, you know. You mash up your legacy, youth. Every legacy, God. All of your legacy, God. See? Cause here what you do now. You say your boss is an artist and your boss is the artist. See? What me don't know about still. See? But the thing is, me done. You got some boom. Say you boss some people. How me for boss Lucian in a music? And boss Sizzla in a music. Fight with Beenie Man career. Fight with can't tell them career. Spragga Benz them. Saying Cabra all of them you they were fighting Ninja Fort. And then me can cuss all of them. Eh? Can't cuss my legacy. Even if me one of them artists said down good. Nobody now gonna know say me and them no good. Me now go come on social media and cuss them. Because I'm there for my life, man, I don't have manners, man. See? So what me I say, people, when you have your legacy, when you build something, see, you can't mash it up because that's my legacy, people. Lucian, I go do it tomorrow on the on social media about Chopa this and Sizzla Chopa. No, can't. No, can't, people. I'm a legacy that. Me I got my grave with that, people. See? So even if me and one of them now see eye to eye, one of them artists now see eye to eye, see? The respect of it did the same way. And when me drop out, people are going to say, yeah man, Chopa did fight with the artist and rare. But them now going to lift and say, and you know, say Chopa and him did fall out and them this and that. No, people. Mad man, I'm a legacy that man. I protect that. I protect my legacy. So people, me as a boy, I move different in the music. You know, see me not do the social media again or them something there. Say, me not let go them things, them are bigger than that, man. I mean, a king Ricky Chopa, you know. King, you know, you have to be a king. When you're a king, you have to act like a king. And be a king. Saying, you have to be a king. So one time, me all come on social media, the man say something and, you know, my fire shut off. Me stop them thing there. Because me a general. Because I never see Michael Jackson yet on social media in an argument with people. Or Elvis Presley are them great stars there. So I just let go them thing there. Them thing that for the look of you them. We just coming at the thing, you know. Saying, and the one where they on social media every day say them a clash and a fight for recognition. On the past them stage, man. That Jamaica fight for music player Jamaica and fight for sound man get recognized and artists. Like I'm a fight and make Burro Banton them and Peter Metro saying even Sky Juice when I want to talk the truth. And me make them honor Sky Juice and them man there. Fight for that, me Ricky Chopa. Make them honor them bodyguard and them people there. And me fight for that. Saying and the political party where me align myself with them say me switch. They say me turn labor right. True me a fight for music. Saying for make people in the music get recognition. That themselves. So you know. But me not switch people. But when you love something and you see a selector like Alaway play Jalov and Danny Dread then, where you say play all Stormar and them sound there. Saying, so me I say Volcano and nobody no look on them and they show them a recognition. Me have to approach the people them who have the authorities in there and I say, yo, you have to honor them people there. At them thing there, at them work them there, man. See, nobody not have to honor I, but me have to honor the people them who were before me and make sure say them get recognition. That means that a piece of legacy there can live. See, that's when our little kids them grew up and so them know about the foundation of our music and it just dead some people. See, that's how we deal with the thing, man. So I don't have time for the joke thing right now. The thing gets serious because most of what go on at the music, I be a bring down them, I bring down each other, and I have to lego them something there. See, you know, I make me do so much great work. I made it in an argument. I try bring down a next selector. No, me a general. Me a uplift the music. Right now, if me not have nothing good to say about people in the music, me not have nothing to say. I'm going to Tony, me have things to say about, because I'm a brethren. See? And him so dunce people, what do you want me go so boom and I said to the youth, say, law killer. See? Me I said to him, say, law killer the other day. Him go me and say, me that leg out that and just say, yo, law killer. And just do him thing. See? Because that little vibes and what I do for him. Nah, I do not for him. Nah, I do not for him. I'm going to make people who love negativity just go so boom and have all kind of things to say. Well, me nah give nobody when not like me. Nothing negative to say about me right now. I live my life and play music and go on bus artists. But just bus a little new artist named Bray Royal the other day. With one video when me do and it go viral and I sang Bus, Temptation and Bray Royal saying the artist thing of Jamaica right now. That me I do. Saying I'm fighting marching band and them thing there make some little youth can have drum for play and blow bugle and them thing there. Saying and play music. More them get more come in a music and we are make money and me a buy gun. I don't have time for buy no gun, give no little boy and no little girl, man. You see? Upliftment me I do with people. So all I want to in the music business too and who have sound and them thing there. You know, we need to cut out the bag of fuckery and the division I have up with one another because people we born come see music and the whole of we are going dead left this blood clot here. See? And if I know look a new one will come in at the thing, big up on yourself because the young generation have to come care on the thing. See? But you add something to it, man. Nobody just come in at it, I want to not add nothing to it. See? You chat about man, but your people still I look for Tony. He need help. Anybody see Tony, please, I beg you now. Because I come off of that something. Anybody see Tony. Only if you want to hear my talk, fuck with them, tell Tony say fuck with my talk. Want to help with CF Tony, please, I beg you now, we have to CF Tony. Because woman say, he might touch the something. Say him upon drugs, so we need to get Tony off of drugs. And get back Tony straight, because Tony delusional. He might move like a madman star, we have to save him. We have to save Tony, people. As me said, the man make killer win. A killer win the war, you know, people. Killer win. Killer win the war. And Tony come to Jamaica. I say, yo, we are going to Jamaica. And Tony Mataran and blah, blah. And rich and then take one blood clot gun. Government take one Tony. And Tony cut, run. The next day go back to foreign, broke his neck, nearly kill himself. Saying, man, run star. Run back to foreign. And killer no see me no. Killer go here saying come a blood clot Jamaica. Then suppose killer did see him, the man would run pan the water, go back to Miami. Tony, you lose. You make killer win. You're That's what I tell you. Yo, I'm out.